Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all will be fine. Guys, welcome back again to my channel, and my today's video is about Google Photos. Yes, Google Photos is pretty common application of Google's, which is almost installed in on every cell phone, and mostly the people who likes photography and who likes capturing pictures and videos, they must use it, but mostly people don't know its usage. In this video I will tell you two most important settings about Google Photos which you must be checked or changed before backing up your videos and kept your photos in Google Photos. So because if you don't change it, it might be possible that someone will access your private videos and private photos and later on viral it on different types of social media platform, and it will be embarrassing for you guys. So please keep watching this video till end, and before starting my video, my humble request to my new viewers, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get notification about my upcoming videos. So guys, first of all we need to open Google Photos. Let me open it, and then click on this function at left side top. Click on this function, and here went to the setting. Now let me go to went to the setting, and here you can see shared libraries, and this is the point. Here you can see no email address is showing at this point. It's mean nobody accessing my Google Photos and my Google Drive. And let me show you how we can add any email address at there. Just click on it, and then get started. Here you can write that email address, and when you Google Photos is asking you that you want to share photos of a specific people or all photos. For the sake of learning, I just click on all photos, but you can select select specific photos too. Now let me select that all photos and then click on next, and now send invitation. After sending invitation you have to wait, and now let me show you that me send invitation of that mobile. Now here this is my another cell phone. Now we can now let me check that. Yes, there it is. This is the email received from this is email. Now open it. After opening it, now it's shared. Now again let me check from there. Now you can see here it is, the email address is added there, and now we now all of my pictures, my videos, and whenever we capture a new picture or video, they will also be shared at this email address. It's mean that person can also watch my videos and my photos, and and you can think about it that your privacy will be die. And now let me tell you, if you found any type of email address at there, how we can remove it. For removing, just click on it and then click at there, and then stop sharing your library, and then stop sharing. Now let me check that. If now you can see that no email address here, that email address is deleted. So this was our first tip. My second tip is also really important, and you must check it before setting backing up your videos and pictures. And for this you also have to go to the setting, and then first option is backup and sync, and there the second last option, cell data record. If you on this function, now if you capture any picture or video and you are outside and they suddenly start backing up and your cellular data will be consumed, and you know cellular data is expensive than the Wi-Fi data. So I highly recommend you that you have to off this function, because if you off this function, then whenever you capture any picture or something else, it will wait for backing up till your Wi-Fi is not available. So guys, that was my today's video about two important settings of Google Photos. Hope you must like it. And if you have any question and query about this video, you must write in the comments. I must reply you at the earliest. So at last, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get notification about my upcoming videos. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Thanks again. See you for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.